We copy the original photo by pressing the Control button and J. We set the blend mode to vivid light and invert by pressing the Control button and I. We will go to the filter section and the other section and select the high pass option. Increase the high pass until the details of the skin are not visible. We come again to the filter section and in the blur section, we select the surface blur option. We adjust the surface blur in such a way that a texture is created in the skin. Select the upper layer and create a mask by holding the Alt button. We select a brush and apply it on the skin with white color and 40% flow. To make our retouching look real, we set the opacity of the layer to 80%. This is from today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Goodbye until the next tutorial.